I review a lot of kitchen products. Been hesitant to pursue sponsorships because I feel it might appear biased on product reviews. Any way to address that?
Just be honest. A good example of this, Linus Tech Tips. He's sponsored all around the world. And he deliberately goes, right, there's no point in me being biased, because if I'm biased, you're never going to trust me, right? Another good example of this is our good friend, El Jefe, right? He does a load of headphone reviews, right? If he was biased to the content that he provided, then you're never going to trust him again, and then you're not going to buy them. And then that hurts his brand and that hurts the conversion. So if you flat out tell them, honestly, I was sent this product, or this is my personal opinion, right? And you make sure that it's obvious it's you, right? If the video's way too sugar coated, like everything's fantastic. Oh look, this screw falls out. It's brilliant. That's a great way for then. Oh, it's a ventilation, right? As long as be honest, right? And then over time, that pure proof that you are trustworthy will actually get you more money in the long run, because you are so unshakable with your honest opinion.